Guys, and welcome to the channel. Today I will show you how you can simulate a scan body temperature by application on your Infinix Note 12 Pro. So we have to start from the one like this app and launch it. Now just skip this window and we have to wait a second to close the ad. Now go to the simulation section and just hold your finger here. Here you can see this is my result. If you want to save it, just click here and choose save, and that's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.